Okay, today we're going to show you how to get Waves plugins working within Wirecast on your audio. Click on the Window button on the menu. Now click on Audio Plugin Explorer. I have some Waves plugins here, but you should just see these ones at the top. You want to click on the plus sign. Then you have to find where those folders are. So you click on this PC, Local Disk C, Program Files x86. Double click on Waves, and down the bottom you've got Wave Shells V14 because waves are up to V14 at the moment. Click on that, and these are all the ones. This is how you get them to basically become available within Wirecast. So you click on each one, and you click on Open, one at a time. And you'll see it scanning down the bottom here. Some will be not compatible. Don't worry about that. The ones that are will work. I'm presuming that this won't work using two at once, but I was wrong. You can select two at once and then click Open and it'll scan them both. So it's great. And that is how you get them available to be able to be used within Wirecast. The next step is to then click on the window, menu option again. Now click on Audio Mixer. I'm using Studio Rack Stereo. Now, at first it's empty. So basically you just click on the plus sign here and you can see all the plugins here. So you just choose what plugin you want to choose and they will then open up here. You can bypass them by hitting that speaker button. You can open it by clicking on the gear button. You can right click DS and it does nothing at all. When you click on the name, you can click Remove Effects. So to add effects, click on the name, Remove Effects, or of course you could probably just change it from one plugin to the next, or remove. So for my setup, Studio Rack Stereo, hit that gear button. This is my Studio Rack. On this I have Clarity VX Pro. That's taking all the background noise out, so I can bypass it here with the blue button, or I can also bypass it here with the blue button. Now you can hear all the background noise. Okay, so I'll just turn it back on. Then I've got BB tubes. This I add for warmth, and if it's muddy, boxy, whatever, I can use this plugin, this dial right here to go straight up to make it sound clear and jump out of the mix. So that's just I put that on all my vocals to help me out instantly when I need to. EQ, another EQ, it's a new one I'm trialing at the moment to see what it's like. And this one just to take a little bit of extra noise out, a little bit of reverb. And this one helps me keep the level right for the YouTube channel. Playlist Writer. So that's how you, now if you wanted to set a new plugin on this Studio Rack, then you click on the plus and you can either type in the name and the plugin will come up, or you can just search through the headings and then basically just choose your plugin from there. And remove it. So that's it. Thank you very much. Go for Craig.